Hello everyone, friends! Today I'll show you how to use the Simple Voice Chat mod in Minecraft. First, open your browser and we need to download Simple Voice Chat. Go to Google, type Simple Voice Chat, click on Forge, then Files, and select your version. I want to install it on version 1.26. Select the Forge core in my case and click Download. Alright, waiting for it to download. There we go, and we get this downloaded file. I'll move it to the desktop, then open the Start menu and type Run. Now type %appdata% and click OK. Here, go into the Minecraft folder. We need the mods folder and we'll drop our voice chat in here. Alright, now let's open Minecraft. Then launch the game and enter your world. Yeah? There. And I'll make the window a bit smaller so you can see everything. Perfect. And down here at the bottom, as you can see, Simple Voice Chat appears right away. You can press M to turn it on or off, and press U to access the settings and configure it here. So let's go into settings here. First, you can increase the volume of who you're hearing, boost your microphone if it's too quiet, and enable noise suppression. So here there's activation type, either voice activated or push to talk. So I'll select push to talk and choose which button to use for speaking. You can enable 3D audio here, so you can tell where people are talking from. Here you can also select your main microphone and your speaker. You can also increase the volume from other people, and that's basically it for settings. The only thing left is the control settings for the buttons. And here we have voice chat. As you can see, voice chat turns on with M and turns off with N. And the talk button is available if you need it. So by pressing Q, I speak and people can hear me. There. That's basically everything. With N, I can mute everyone else so I don't hear anyone. That's all. This has been a tutorial.